Jury rig is an idiomatic expression that is often used to describe a makeshift or temporary solution to a problem or repair, typically using whatever materials are readily available. This phrase emphasizes resourcefulness and the ability to find creative solutions when facing unexpected challenges or emergencies. The term jury rig has nautical origins, dating back to the 17th century. On ships, a jury mast or jury rigging referred to a replacement mast and rigging that could be quickly assembled from spare parts or materials on board in the event that the original mast was damaged or lost during a storm or battle. The term jury in this context is believed to have derived from the French word ajurie, which means aid or assistance. Over time, the term jury rig made its way into broader usage beyond the maritime context. Today, it is used to describe any situation where someone uses whatever is available to create a makeshift or temporary solution to a problem. This could involve repairing a broken household item with duct tape, fashioning a tool out of common household objects, or finding an unconventional way to solve a problem. The concept of jury rigging reflects human ingenuity and adaptability. It highlights the ability to think outside the box and come up with innovative solutions when facing constraints or unexpected challenges. In some cases, jury rigging may be necessary in emergency situations where time is of the essence and a permanent fix is not immediately possible. While jury rigging can be a valuable skill in certain situations, it is important to recognize its limitations. Makeshift solutions are usually not as reliable or durable as properly designed and manufactured ones. Therefore, they are often considered temporary fixes until a more permanent solution can be implemented. Additionally, jury rigging may not always meet safety standards or regulations, so caution is advised, especially in situations where safety is a concern. In everyday life, people may find themselves jury rigging solutions in a variety of situations. It could be as simple as using a paperclip to fix a broken zipper or using a piece of cardboard to patch a hole in a wall temporarily. In more complex scenarios, individuals may need to improvise in order to make do with limited resources. In summary, jury rig is an idiomatic expression that refers to the act of creating a makeshift or temporary solution to a problem using whatever materials or resources are readily available. This concept emphasizes resourcefulness, creativity, and adaptability in the face of unexpected challenges or emergencies. While jury rigging can be a valuable skill in certain situations, it is important to recognize its temporary nature and potential limitations in terms of reliability and safety.